Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I will tell you about Lambton College and I will try to cover every aspect of the Lambton College from offer letter to the class schedule. And at the last part of the video, I will share my own experience of the about the Lambton College, Toronto campus, as I have been taking online classes from this college for 4 months. My first term is about to finish, so stay tuned till the end. Let me start the video. So at first let me tell you about offer letter of the Lambton College is free of cost. Every student can apply with no money. Majority of colleges have offer letter fees, but in this term there is no fees and you will save some money. Okay. And the service of offer letter is also very fast as compared to other colleges. I got my offer letter within a week. Some of my friends got within just 3 or 4 days, and in my case I applied for two colleges, one for this college and other was for Canada College, and it took 2 months to get Canada's offer letter, but I got Lambton's offer letter within just 1 week. So Canada's offer got too late, so I applied for this college. Now let we discuss our location and campuses. There are 3 campuses of Lambton College. The main campus in Sarnia. It's very big, very beautiful, and many courses are available in Sarnia as compared to other campuses. And residence is also available to the students. Many other faculties, many other advanced provisions are available in the Sarnia campus because it's the main campus and it's very less expensive to the Toronto to Mississauga, and a student can easily manage their expenses. But the problem is job opportunities. Job opportunities are less as compared to Mississauga and Toronto. In terms of Toronto campus, it's very popular among international students, and a majority of international students apply in this college because more job opportunities are available in Toronto. That's why I think majority of internationals use this course. And this campus, although it's not very big, but number of faculties are available here as compared to Mississauga, because in Mississauga the campus is very small as compared to the other 2 campuses. And in Toronto you get good services, you can live, but the expense in Toronto is far more high as compared to Mississauga and Sarnia. So you can live in Scarborough, in Brampton, but Brampton will be far. But Brampton is far more away than Scarborough and other places. So, but you can manage it because of transportation mode is very fast and good in these cities. So you don't have to face any problem if you want to live in other places. Let me talk about Mississauga campus. Mississauga campus is also very popular, and it's the thing I like about the Mississauga campus because it's between Brampton and Mississauga. Because if you want to live in Mississauga, you can, and if you want to live in Brampton, because it's very close to these 2 cities, you don't have to travel a lot as if you are living in Brampton, but you are studying in Toronto campus. You have to travel a lot. I think it will take more than 1 hour. I'm not sure, but more than 1 hour. Now let me tell you about courses. Almost every kind of top courses are available in Lempton, from business, IT, medical, health. Every courses are available in Lempton College, but it depends on campus. Some courses are available in Lempton, some are in Mississauga, but almost all the courses are available in Sarnia campus. In Toronto campus, mainly the courses are related to business field, and in Mississauga are related to IT. In Sarnia campus, majority of students are native of Canada. Almost 80% of students are Canadian, and 20% are international. So if you want to experience the real culture of Canada and you want to study with Canadians, so this campus is for you. But as the other Toronto and Mississauga campus is just for internationals. Majority of students will be internationals from other countries, but and mostly in both campuses are Indians. As in my case, 90% we are Indians. Some are Punjabi, majority are Punjabis, and some are from South Indians. In my class, there are just two who are from other countries, and rest are Indians. So if you want to study with the Indians, you can. Now let me discuss about the fees. The fees and the schedule of the course is depend on your course. Some courses are more expensive as compared to other courses. As IT courses are more expensive than business related courses. I observed that, not sure. But when I was going to apply for my study visa, I did some research. I made some colleges list, and I just selected 2 colleges, and one of them was Lempton College, and its fees was in mid, not very less, not very high. It was its fees was around 15,000 1 year. 15,000 1 year for my course, and my course is 1 year. But in other courses like in Sheridan, Humber and Cambrian, it was more than $16,000 or $17,000. So in this, that's why I chose this course. I'm not saying other colleges are not good, but for me, this was also, if the money is your problem, you can also choose Sarnia campus, because this campus also offer discount to the students, and if your program is 2 years, so you can also eligible for the scholarship. There is good deal if you choose Sarnia campus. But Toronto and Mississauga also offer scholarship, but as less as compared to Sarnia. Okay, all the 3 campuses are good. I don't know about other colleges, like whether they offer discounts or scholarships or not, but I'm telling about just Lempton here, and we will compare other colleges in other view. Okay, at first I'm going to cover all the colleges, the main colleges. It was main for me because I'm studying here. Okay, so now let me tell you about the schedule of the classes. As I said, it's also depend on your course, but in majority of cases the classes are 3 to 4 days a week. In minor chances, sometimes there are 5 days a week, but majority 3 or 4. My classes are 3 days a week. The classes start from fixed hours. Like my classes start at 8 to 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. And I find it very comfortable, because in other colleges they are not fixed hours. Sometimes my friends' classes are in the morning, sometimes in the midnight, sometimes in the evening. So they have to face many difficulties in terms of managing their own personal life. But here I am a bit comfortable. And one thing that I like about the college, I'm not sure it's because of COVID or in normal cases the college teach the same way. Now they are like teach according to subject wise. At first they will finish your one subject, then they will teach you another subject. So in this way, I have more time to work on my assignments, to work on my study, on other things, on my personal life, on other things. Now I'm learning cooking, so I get time to learn other things as well. But some of my friends are studying in other courses. Like one of my friends is studying in Canada, and Canada teach him all the subjects simultaneously. So sometimes he has 4 assignments, and once he had 4 assignments in 1 week, and he had to submit all the assignments within that. So it was very tough for me to manage all the things, but till now I am very comfortable. Now let me discuss the most important and the second last part of the video, that is job opportunity. Because majority of students are worried, majority of international students are worried about part-time jobs, job opportunities, because we have to manage our own expense, and we are worried about the second term or second year's fees, because we need to study there for 2 years to get 3-year work. One thing is that the job opportunities are available in all 3 campuses, whether it's in Sarnia, Mississauga or Toronto. But in Sarnia, it's considered that there are less opportunities as compared to other campuses. Yeah, it's true, but it's getting job, it depends on you. It depends on your hard work, it depends on your smart work, how you get a job. Opportunities are available in Sarnia as well. But you have struggled to get a job, whether you are in any campus. Okay, like when I was researching for this video, and I come across a video on YouTube, and he was the student of Sarnia campus, and he was also sharing his experience. Like majority of his viewers asked about job opportunities in Sarnia. And he said that whenever he used to go out, he used to keep 10 resume in his bag, and when he was going through the market, he used to distribute all the resume, and he did the same for 3 weeks, and in the fourth week he got the job. So you have to struggle to get a job, whether you are in any campus, because if you are in Mississauga, as people consider in Mississauga more opportunity. You are in Mississauga, but you don't go outside. You don't struggle to get a job. Okay, you have to struggle. You have to go out. You have to give interviews. You have to face some hurdles. You have to work on your skills, like communication skills. I mean to say, you have to go outside, whether you are in Sarnia or other 2 campuses. Now let me move towards the last part of the video. My experience with the Lambton College is pretty good. I like the schedule of the college. All of my instructors are very hardworking, and they have profound knowledge about their subject. And not only in Toronto, but in all the campuses, mostly instructors are PhD holders. They have 4 to 5 year experience of that industry, like in the business industry, or if they are teaching IT subjects, they have experience of IT sector. Like in my case, teacher doesn't give example from the book, they give example from their own experience, how they handle the situation. It makes more easy to understand, to grasp the meaning of the chapter. And they are very supportive, cooperative, and they understand the language barrier, the time zone barrier, and the network issue, because it's common as now classes are on. So sometimes students have network issues, so they understand it because it's a normal thing. So they give, sometimes the test is going on, someone facing network issues, so they understand. Like in my last class, it was our final exam, and it's mandatory that you have to turn your webcam on during exam time. But one of our classmates was unable to turn his webcam, so he tried, but he was unable to turn it on. So, but the instructor allowed the exam, because it's common, somebody have problems, somebody have issues with their gadgets, so instructor understand. And other than studies, Brampton College also offer you a lot of services like tutoring center, co-op career advisor, immigration advisors. So you have any problem related to your studies, your personal life, your anything, they will help you out. So like if you have a problem in assignment, mostly international students have, especially Indians. When I started my course, I faced many problems because I didn't know how to cite references, how to conduct research, and I didn't know anything about that. So for 3 weeks I booked my appointment with the tutoring center, and they helped me a lot with the every aspect of the site references, conduct research. So they simplified every step about the assignment, and now I am quite comfortable with the assignments. And if you have any queries related to your career, your resume, you can book your appointment with the co-op and career advisor. They will help you out in terms of resume, how you should make resume in Canadian style, because there is difference between an Indian resume and in Canada. In Canada, there is no need to mention our age, our date of birth, our reason. Okay, like some in India, people show their emails in the resume, so there is no need to show emails in the resume in Canadian resume. Okay, so there is a difference. So, or if you are worried about your career, what options are available for you after your course, or what part-time jobs are available now for you, so you can also get to know about these things from your co-op career advisor. But if you have queries related to immigration services, so you can book your appointment with the immigration advisor. Like yesterday, I booked my appointment with the immigration advisor. Am I audible to you, ma'am?
Hi. I can hear you now. Yes. Hello, Barjinder.
Yes, ma'am. How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. And you? Everything okay?
Yeah, everything is okay, ma'am.
Yeah. How can I help you, Barjinder? Yeah.
Actually,
Go
ma'am,
ahead.
there's some trivial questions but are important to me. Uh,
Okay.
I want to know about what is WES.
WES is the organization that does the academic evaluations of foreign credentials.
Okay.
So they will evaluate. They will evaluate your degree from India, for example, to see if it's equivalent to a Canadian degree.
Okay. So it's important for PRs. Am I right?
It's mandatory. If you don't have a degree or diploma from Canada,
Okay.
then you have that evaluated. But I also always recommend
Okay.
that you have it evaluated even if you have a diploma from a Canadian college or university.
And these opportunities are not available only in Toronto campus, but are all available to Mississauga and Sarnia campus. Because of these reasons, I like the college very much, and I thought I should share with you, because when I was going to apply for this college, I was highly confused. And because of these things, I like the college very much, and I'm quite satisfied with the services. Hope it would help you to take a decision. And if you want to know some more about Brampton College, some videos are in the description, so you must check that video there. It has covered more things about the lepton foil, and there is another video if you, and I like this video very much because in this video some students of Mississauga campus will share their experience about Mississauga campus, like how they manage their life while studying, and they will also recommend some precautions, okay, how to save money, how to earn money. So I like this video very much. Thank you everyone. I hope it would help you, and stay tuned with us. Okay, bye.